In this video, I am going to discuss about how you can download and install DevC++ IDE on your Windows 10 computer. First search as DevC++ for Windows 10 in Google. Then click on this link. Then click on this download button to download the IDE. The download will start in few seconds. Then you can see the IDE will be start downloading. Then you have to wait until the download is complete. Then click on the downloaded file to open the installing setup. Then a window like this will pop up to select the language. I will give it as English and press OK. Then you will see a window like this. It contains the license agreement. So I will simply click I agree in here. After that, a window will show up like this to choose features of DevC++ which you want to install. As we can see, it tells to check the components you want to install and uncheck the components you don't want to install. Then here choose full as the type of installation and keep the selected options as it is in the optional components. Then click on next. Then you can choose the location where the IDE should be installed. So if you want to change the location, click on this browse button and select the folder where you want to install the IDE. I will install it into the default location it has been given. Then when you click on the install button, setup will install the DevC++ in the folder which you have chosen. And there we can see the minimum space required for the installation is 347 megabytes. Meaning at least this much of space should be available in the hard disk to continue the installation. After choosing the destination folder, click on the install button. Then the installation will start. You have to wait until the installation is complete. After the installation is complete, you will see a window like this. There has been checked on the condition run DevC++. So when you click finish button, the installation will end. But if you click on the finish button while this condition is checked, it will automatically open the DevC++ application. So I will click on the finish button while this condition is checked. Then the DevC++ application will open. It will ask for some configuring settings. Select your language here. You can choose any language you want. I will keep it as English in here. And also you can later change the language by going through the settings. Click next. Here it is asking to select the theme. You can change the font, color and icons from here. I will leave it as it is. Also you can change these later by going through these settings. Click next and click OK. Here as we can see, we have installed DevC++ onto our computer successfully. So if you found any value from this video, don't forget to like the video and thank you for watching.